If you've enrolled in one of the two Ostrava universities, or you're going to study here or just coming for an exchange program and you're wondering what it looks like in Ostrava, that's what we're going to show you today. There are two universities in Ostrava. Báňská, the technical university, has its own large campus in a city district called Poruba that we shot a separate episode about, and you can check it out above. Then there's the Ostrava University that focuses on the humanities and lies mainly in the city center. Báňská, the technical university, is in Poruba, which is about half an hour from the city center, meaning most things will be happening in Poruba. But there's a vibrant culture here. There are cafes, restaurants, clubs and bars in the vicinity of the campus. Also, the fact that the campus is at the outskirts of the city means that it's great for people who love jogging, walks in the forest, or cycling, because that's right behind the campus. There are many cool places to hang out on campus, such as this one, but there's also a club right next to the student dorms, and the whole campus is located just across the street from the main Poruba Boulevard, where all the cafes, shops and pubs are located. There's a tram stop right across the campus where you can catch a tram to the city center. We're in the city center to show you the Ostrava University. It takes about 25 minutes by public transport to move in between the two universities. The buildings of the Ostrava University are variously positioned in the city center, but there's also a new campus that is being built by the riverside. What's beautiful about this university not having a campus is that you step outside a class right into a cafe and that you have a lot of student-friendly places to grab a meal. What is great about having your university in the city center is that the party street, Stodolny, which has been the center of Ostrava's nightlife for over 20 years, is just around the corner. There are a few rooms available in the dorms downtown, and they also stand above a cool vegan place that has a cooperation with the Ostrava University, offers student discounts and serves pretty much as a student cafeteria. For those eager to travel around Central Europe, Ostrava is strategically located 3 hours away from such cool cities as Krakow, Vienna, Prague or Bratislava. So come study in Ostrava. We'd love to have you here. Subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos about the city.